Have you ever wondered what trees would say if they could talk?
Hey humans, stop cutting us down.
Or maybe, get out of my branches, you noisy kids.
What if they don't want to talk at all? What if they just want to escape?
Exactly. And that's what Adrienne Rich's poem, The Trees, is all about. Imagine trees breaking free from houses, pushing through windows, rushing back to the forest.
So the poem isn't just about trees, it's about freedom, rebellion, and breaking barriers, right?
Exactly. The trees are symbolic.
The poet describes the trees as if they are alive and determined, their roots straining, their branches stretching. It's like they're fighting to be free.
And the most powerful part? The poet doesn't stop them. She just watches. She knows they belong outside.
Did you notice how the poem is in free verse? No rhyme scheme, no strict pattern, just like the trees, it flows freely.
There's also personification. The trees act like humans. Their roots work, their branches stretch. It makes the imagery stronger.
And the contrast is beautiful. Inside, the trees are trapped and unnatural, but outside, they belong.
Oh, and the repetition of the trees are moving emphasizes their unstoppable energy. They're not just moving, they're leaving, escaping, reclaiming their space.
So, this poem is about freedom, whether it's trees, women, or anyone held back.
It's also about change. No matter how much you try to contain nature or people, they'll always find a way to break free.
And it reminds us that nature doesn't belong inside walls. We need to respect it.
So, what do you think? Should we ever try to hold back nature or people?
The trees have answered that for us. They don't ask for permission. They just move.
And if you love this discussion,
don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Eloquent Explorers. Stay curious, stay free.
And if you want to watch a detailed explanation of the poem, click on the link in the description.